Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a walkie-talkie that's in use basically anywhere, at home, in the office, when you're traveling. If you guys want to monitor your baby, you can definitely do all that on here. So this is basically what the packaging looks like right here. If you guys take a look on the side right here, it shows you guys all the type of walkie-talkies that I have right here in different colors, but they all work the same way. If we turn it on this side, you can see there's some features about the product itself right here. But let's open up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. So it looks like they provide you guys two of these lanyards that's kind of like see-through or clear design, if you guys can see. And then right here, we have the two walkie-talkies. And you see the color is orange, but they do have other colors like I mentioned earlier. And then the very bottom, they do provide you guys a user manual, instruction guide to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. And that's basically everything that's included inside. So since both of these work the same way, I'm just showing you guys one of them. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like right here. So you can see there's a few buttons right here. So there's a power button, the menu button, up and down button, and a ringing button right here. So that might be also a call button as well. So this is basically what it looks like in the front right here. So there's a mic somewhere here where you can talk to the other person. And then right here is basically the speaker. So that is where you guys will listen to the actual call from another person, and vice versa for them as well. If you guys see on the slide right here, this is a button you can press to activate it. So you can call the other person. This is what the back part looks like right here. So they have a little clip where you can actually put it onto your clothes, your pants, or whatever, and this is removable. So if I just push this button on top right here and pull it up, you guys can actually take it out, just like that. And once you guys take that part out, you guys can open up this compartment right here to put in the batteries. Alright, so once you take it out, you can see that it actually requires 3 of these AA batteries. And they don't actually provide you guys the battery, so you need to have your own battery to use it. And once you guys have the battery in here, just close it back up and start using it. If you guys take a look on the top part here, there's a little compartment right here. So if you guys open up, the 2 slots where you plug in the cables in here if you guys want to use those options. And then see on the side right here, they actually have a very nice kind of like grip design. So when you guys actually hold it, you definitely get a good grip. So that's basically what the overall product looks like. Let me actually go get some batteries and plug it in and try it out and see when it actually works. Alright, so we got the battery in, and see that turns on right there. Let me actually put in the battery on the other one as well, because if I don't, then I can't show you guys when it actually works. So same thing for this one right here. You guys open up the clip right here. Alright, so we got it on. Close it back up. Put back on the clip. And if you guys want to put on the lanyard, you definitely can as well. So the way how you guys put on the lanyard right here is just go like this. Put it through this part right here. And you just want to slide this part in here. Just like that. And you guys can start putting this around your neck and let it hang, if you can see. So that way you can have one and your friend can have one. But this is basically what the product looks like right here for both of them. So the way how you guys increase or lower the volume on here is by pressing the up and down button. So I press this part up. The maximum is 8 and the lowest is 1. So if I press on this button right here, the calling button, you guys can hear what happens. It basically calls the other person on the other side. And obviously if I press the side right here, that's how you guys call and talk to the other person. So if you guys want to press and hold it down, this is what happens. Hello, can you hear me? Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. And obviously the same thing for the other side as well. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. And I press on this button right here. That is basically the scan button to test out all the channels on here. Same thing on this one as well. And then the way how you guys change the channel on here is by pressing the menu button. So you guys press it. It gives you guys the option to change the channel right here. So right now we're in channel 4. If you press it, bring it up or bring it down, that's how you guys change the channel on here. So I'm gonna keep it at 4 for now. And change all the other functionality here as well if you guys click on the menu button. So if you guys want to learn about what is the different functionality that's on the button itself for the menu option, you can definitely refer to the user manual itself. And if you guys want to turn it off, the way how you guys turn it off is by pressing this button right there, hold it down, and it turns off. And if you guys want to turn it back on, turn it back on. So I'm gonna hang this right here and I'm gonna walk really far away to show you guys when it actually works. So I'll leave it right here and I'll walk far away to test it out.
Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing.
Alright, so that's a little bit of test about the product itself. You can definitely see it actually works pretty well. So if you can see on the display screen, it show you guys how it's on right there, the battery life and everything else here as well. But obviously when you guys use this product itself, there is a limit of how far you can go to actually use it. If you guys want to know how far, you can refer to this image right here. And then the cool thing about this product itself is the fact that it does have a noise cancellation technology where when you guys are talking to another person, it cancels a lot of background noise if it isn't heard from the actual test itself. And obviously the product itself is super easy to bring around. Like I mentioned how it has a grip on the side, but it's definitely super small and portable. and you guys need to hang this around your neck using the lanyard that they provide for you guys. And then for this walkie-talkie, it has a total of 22 channels that you can use on here. So you can definitely use it with friends, or you can use it with other people and meet other people as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we could unboxing and test the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that these walkie-talkie are super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Only thing is the fact that I wish this walkie-talkie was rechargeable, because I tested other walkie-talkies in the past where it actually has the rechargeable option, and that's much more convenient. Because let's say if you guys are traveling somewhere and you guys need to recharge the battery that's in here, but you guys didn't bring like a battery charger for this one. But if you guys get like the walkie-talkie where it has like the USB cable to recharge it, and you guys don't have to bring like a battery charger to recharge it, you literally just have to bring like a wall charger or a power bank to recharge it, and that's super convenient. Which this brand actually has a few of those walkie-talkies as well, which is super awesome. But regardless, I still have to say that these are actually super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially when you guys are traveling with friends, going to like different concerts, raves, or whatever. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.